أكبر الله.
We as an ummah need to begin to revive our intellectual tradition, to think, right? To take notes, to go with benefit, not to come and just sit. These people work hard. They really work hard. And that's why they're ruling the world. And we are the ones that should be ruling the world as Muslims. And if you look out there, we look so pathetic. In fact, it's really extraordinary that they even take us seriously. But the reason they take us seriously, the reason that they take us seriously is because they know history. They study history, and they're very worried about conflagrations of Islamic revivalism. This scares them because they read. They say, look at this 19th century, something very mysterious happened. What was that? Well, suddenly there was this mujahid that appeared in West Africa, and then at the same time we can't even find any material correlation. Maybe they met in Mecca, but who knows? Suddenly there's a mujahid appearing in Hunan province in China, and he's saying the same things, and people are responding. And suddenly there's somebody in Sudan who's doing it too, and somebody in Algeria, and somebody in Libya, and somebody in Turkey, and it's suddenly happening all over. And how does this happen? We want to understand this. So they examine it. They hire people. They give them grants to do PhDs that end up in Langley in Virginia and other mysterious places that we're not allowed to in this open democratic society to examine what they're talking about. Right? This wonderful democratic society that prides itself on its openness, in fact, has the most closed and secretive organizations and institutions that have been known in the history of man, right? But they study us, they examine us, they dissect us, they analyze us, they do psychological profiles on people like me and Muhammad Sharif and other people that get up and speak publicly. They look at the books we read, if we buy with credit cards or check out in the library. I'm not making this up. This is what they're doing. They have $30 billion from the Congress to do things like this. And then we don't even know what they're making on the side with all their cocaine deals. So they have a lot of money. They have money to burn. And they're very serious because they see Islam as a threat.